An iPhone costs around $800 to $1,000, but it actually costs Apple less than half of that to make. So where does your money really go? The screen is the most expensive part, costing Apple about $70, and they mainly buy these displays from Samsung. This includes the OLED panel and touch layer, and this is why screen repairs are so expensive. The cameras come next. All the sensors, lenses, and stabilization hardware together cost around $50. Then there's memory and storage, which adds about $15 to $40. This also explains why Apple charges so much for storage upgrades, because it barely costs them more. The battery is surprisingly cheap, only $10 to $20, even though it's one of the most important parts of the phone. Everything else, like the metal frame, glass, Face ID sensors, speakers, microphones, and antennas, adds another $70 to $100. Putting it all together, assembly and packaging cost just $20 to $30 per phone. So in total, Apple spends under $350 to build an iPhone. The rest of the money goes to iOS development, software updates, research and development, marketing, Apple stores, shipping, and customer support. After all of that, Apple still earns a lot, roughly 50% profit per iPhone. So yeah, it's expensive, but now you know why.